So, hi guys! Ito na nga, magtitik ako ngayon. First time ko siya actually, magtitik ako ng mango with bagoong. And then, I'm going to taste what it feels like to taste this kind of food. So, here it is. Here's the mango. And here's the bagoong. I'm going to try it na ha. Ayan guys, here it is.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Guys, parang di ko kaya. Ah, I'm going to try it again. Ay! Parang ako mababaliw. Ate naman ba't niyo ako pinahihirapan? Hindi ko kaya to. Oh my gosh, nasisira ang pesla ko dito ah. I'm going to try it for the third time. Oh my God, mga ate, pinahirapan niyo ako. Diyos ka. I don't like it. I'm not gonna do it. It tastes like, I don't know the taste. It just, I'm going to vomit. Oh my God, the taste is so fishy and it's so. I'm going to pass. I'm sorry.
Kain tayo mga par.